there's a comedy part, there's a performance part. Writing you can improve by reading books, by attending those, but performance ke liye you have to hit the stage as much as you can. So as open micers, like sometimes I remember when back then I used to like practically go like 4 times a week on stage, 5 times a week on stage. Even today, sometimes when I don't have a shows, my wife also is like, now I'm married for 30 years, niklo ghar se, bahar jao, because we can't take each other for too long. So 2-3 days I don't have shows, then I either go and watch comedy, or if they have spot, and I go on the stage, just to keep the your oil well oiled, your machinery well oiled.
Yeah.
So it's like that. You have to go on stage. The more you hit on stage, the more difficult rooms you have done, it makes you stronger every day. I have done shows in the past. I'm not kidding you. There were like 5 people in the show, in a room of 300 people, 5 people. उसमें से 2 people audience, other 3 are the sound guy, light guy, जो बैठे के खत्म कर तो मैं अपना sound और mic लेके जाऊं, Yeah, we have done those shows. I've performed for 18 people in a room in an auditorium of 2,000 capacity. That's a different story. I'll tell one day on stage.
My God.
Yeah. In a 2000s, can you imagine like a Shanmukhananda hall, 18 people sitting and watching you? It was not here, it was abroad somewhere. But these kind of things make you stronger, You have seen those. If you see 100 people in the audience, my God, this is like bonus. मैं तो 4 लोग पे perform किया. Initially when you should do open mics, आजकल भी sometimes open mics get cancelled because no audience comes. So sometimes audience in open mics there are 4 people, 5 people in the audience. But if you can make 5 people laugh, very easy to make 100 people laugh. If those 5 people you can make them laugh. And I've seen, so once I went, there's this comedian called Raj Sharma. He's from LA. Extremely funny. He does crowd interactions.
Okay.
He does crowd interactions. And once I went for his show, and he's not very, a lot of Indians don't know him. So उन्होंने show रखा था इधर अंधेरी में था. A small comedy club tha, and that there were a lot of things were happening. It was the weekend, and there was maybe a lot of shows happening. So unke audience mein I think some 7 people came. Okay, 7 people, जिसमें से 4 तो comedians थे, बाकी I think 3 या 4 must be और audience members who would have paid और पता नहीं guest list में होंगे. Okay, and I thought like ये अभी 1.5 घंटा क्या करेगा 4 आदमी, and he does only crowd interactions. He doesn't perform, करते हैं, but a lot of comedians do this only audience work. Crowd work. I'm telling you, he'd perform for 2 hours. It was like a master class sitting for me,
Wow.
When no audience, he started talking about the decor, he started making, there were some paintings, he spoke 10 minutes about some paintings, so funny. And that's how you learn. I said, यार ये बंदे ने 8 जनने में 2 घंटे का crowd work किया, अभी 2 घंटे में आप 8 बंदे, what can you extract? Then he linked one guy to the other guy to this, that, thing like that. My God, brilliant, like a master class. बैठे 2 घंटे का master class हो गया हमारा. So that's why I recommend to a lot of people who are interested in comedy, go and watch live comedy. You learn a lot, And today I see this is the biggest, lot of the young comedians, पता नहीं क्या हो गया उनमें, they don't come and watch live comedy. Like today, for example, Zakir Khan. Today we are on 16th of April. I can say the date, right?
Yeah.
Zakir Khan is a performance at Ville Parle in Dinanath Mangeshkar Auditorium. I think 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. And you go over there, you won't find any comedian over there. Junior comedians. He's one of the best comedians in India. Go and watch how he on stage for 2 hours. He talks. Just you'll learn a lot. What are the audiences liking?
What have you learned from him?
His art of storytelling, Zakir Khan. He just weaves the stories. He takes you to his space. His one new special has come out on Amazon Prime. It's called Delulu Express. Talks about his train journey from his home place to Delhi. He's going for a job. He's talking about the entire train journey. So after some time, you actually feel you're in the train. It's a story. There's no visual. There's only audio. But the way he weaves the story, he builds characters. There are 3-4 characters in that. How he gets it. That's the art of storytelling. Obviously a lot of funnies in that.
Yeah.
So that you learn from this. So you should learn from all art forms as you can.
Yeah. And आपने जैसे बताया कि crowd interaction जो होता है, that is also one way of engaging the audience. What has been your most memorable crowd interaction in the entire career? आपने क्या किया था and क्या एकदम मजा आ गया था स्टेज पे?
यार crowd interaction तो बहुत मजा आता है always. बहुत मजा आता है because एक तो क्या होता है crowd interaction में I'll tell you the nuances of crowd interaction में क्या होता है. First of all, you're on a pedestal, you're on the stage, everybody's below you, तो already एक power dynamic बन गया है. Second, you have a mic, they don't have a mic. Okay, एक second power dynamic बन गया है. They are down, you are up, you have a mic, they don't have a mic. Okay, and I love crowd work because crowd work में also one of the the biggest learning I got in 2012 2013. I used to go and watch all these senior comedians doing crowd work, and I used to always feel कि आपको सपोज तो हम क्या करते हैं ना, क्राउड पे जाके पहले देखते क्राउड आके बैठा हुआ है, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इन 10 मिनट्स. तो अर्लियर मैं क्या करके देता था, अच्छा वो दो जन बैठे हैं, टू फ्रेंड्स सिटिंग ऑन द फ्रंट रो, चलो आई विल मेक अ इंजीनियरिंग गे जोक देयर. क्या यार इंजीनियर, ओ यार गे इज योर बॉयफ्रेंड, हाँ हाँ लोग हंसेंगे व्हाटएवर. अच्छा वहाँ एक हस्बैंड वाइफ बैठा हुआ है, चलो एक मैरिज जोक कर दूंगा. यहाँ 3 लड़कियां बैठी है, चलो एक सिंगल्स का कुछ जोक कर लूंगा. So I used to go pre-prepared, and it used to half the time flop. Okay. Then what a senior comedian told me is that don't do that. Don't go pre-prepared. Don't even look at the audience. Just go there straight and just talk to them. You are, first of all, you are funny. You're a comedian. You are funny. The funny will come to you. Okay. And like that. And I'm telling you, it should do so well. And sometimes, whether you realize or no, you're spending 30 minutes just talking to the audience. You're supposed to do 1 hour, 30 minutes. तो आपने खाली बात करने लगा. What do you do? You know. And usually husband आपको पूछेंगे, husband wife, okay, married family 10 years. Okay. They're simple tricks all comedians do. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Tell me your year of marriage. वो बोलेगा 94, वो बोलेगी 95. Okay. तो usually होता है. The husbands usually forget. You know. Okay, you have 2 children. Okay, tell me the age. And he'll say that his wife will say no, galti. But most guys don't know, you know, or which standard your child is in studying. Husbands को कभी पता नहीं होता है, ज़्यादा करके तो नहीं पता होता है. So like that, you get funnies out of it. You ask, where do you guys meet? Was it arranged marriage? Was it a love marriage? Just try talking to how you would want to know. You met 2 people, you want to know their story, your backstory of them. And the funny will automatically come. You will be surprised how it just comes automatically. You know?
तो कोई आपको याद है कि बहुत ज्यादा funny
3 दिन पहले I performed in some comedy club. कुछ हुआ, I talked about the Ambani wedding. So guys होता है, हाँ, लेकिन गौतम अडानी ने तो पैसा खर्चा नहीं अपने बेटे की शादी पे, correct? अडानी की शादी हुई थी and he didn't spend too much money. अच्छा हाँ, क्योंकि उनको मोदी जी को देना पड़ता है, you know? And the audience just lost it, you know? They started clapping. It just came on the spur, you know? Because there's this backstory where, you know, this Adani only grew thanks to Modi ji being the prime minister. So I said, obviously, उनका तो पैसा उनको जाता है. And he also started clapping. क्या आपने सच बोला?
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.